Trai ka jingte ka Pluh hathana rut khandailat udang don ha ka jingbom tip berusuk banong ai halor ka jingja hanrei hapreng ka jingpang mensiam ka jingkhusla jing snowsi kidon penban kibreu ki bakhana lor ni kumtai khamtam ya ka insurance utrai ka Ïing u amit singhania habakran menta ka khanru tarik risau arja ar phaulai ula ong ba omdan insurance ai watang shinayaru ya ka Ïing bat usa menta ha ka jingkhuslai bumla syu ban batai ula ong ba umpat nang kat nu ka jingjulor namar ka jingjubor palat ka jingkhuslai lak ban kro ba ka Ïing kala Pluh ha ka sngi jan hadin ba uwei ubreu ula klat kat ba uwei unang penlip ding ula mensau jur.
What do you have to say on that?
To all my well-wishers and pleasers who in such a time of distress have the thing to think that because we cannot help that mentality. If you check my account, I have no insurance. I have zero insurance. Zero means zero insurance. So I would not do that. Unfortunate, very, very unfortunate. One of the staffs, he got stuck inside. He could not come out, though mostly what happened was I think he passed away due to the smoke because there was nothing, no burn, nothing, anything. We broke the wall from backside and we took him out also because the fire was such we could not go from either of the two entrances. So that's how it was. It was very sad. The most unfortunate part because properties can be done and whatever. Human life is very precious. It should not have.
There are some suspicious.
It broke to even we can't say. Even I had gone out. All of a sudden my father called up. Come immediately, there's a big fire. Then when I asked him, he said he was just sitting in his office. He just turned around and he saw all of a sudden he saw a huge blaze of fire. Everything was smoky and the fire was also such, it was of high magnitude. He could not do anything, realize anything. Just the first thing what he could think of was to take the staff and everyone out. And somehow he just came out. That's it, and nothing else after that.
And we also know that
there are lots of papers and lots of cloths inside just to make sure it does not reignites. That was the only thing. The only thing, the firefighting and all, they have done an excellent job. This state machinery, I would really like to thank everybody. Without that thing, it could have been a disaster. The only thing again would request people to give way to fire brigade. Please give way to fire brigade. Because of the congestion and I would, congestion in PB. The people were not moving. They had to be forced to be moved. The fire brigade was delayed by more than half an hour. Just because of that. It's not because of their efficiency. Because of that. So please don't play with the life of people.
how many vehicles are fire brigade?
So you can imagine what can be inside the residence. We have been staying here for long since birth. My grandfather has been staying here. So everything is here only, valuables and everything.
Some say that it's